everyone, it's Karen from Elevation Med Spa in Lone Tree, Colorado, popping in today to talk a little bit about the vampire hair restoration procedure. Did you know that if you take platelet-rich plasma, which is drawn from the blood in your system, and apply it to the top of the head and work it in with a microneedler or injections, that you can actually stimulate hair growth in places that you thought the hair would never come back? Studies have shown that men can regrow about 40% of the hair that they've lost over time, and for women you can get almost 100% of your hair back. This is hair loss that's been from over-treating the hair or hormonal changes, even from thyroid disease. So if you're curious about what a PRP vampire hair restoration could do for you, give us a call, come by, or visit us on our website at www.elevationmedspa.com.